it's Jessie here. I'm back with another video, and in today's video we're talking all about my first month on the new MyWW program, you know, Weight Watchers. I joined back up with Weight Watchers on January 2nd on a total impulse. I did not plan this ahead of time. I was just kind of scrolling through my Instagram feed, I think, came across a advertisement for my WW and thought, yeah, I think it's about time I try this again. I had heard all about how they had changed and were doing some new things, and really not new things, but kind of throwback to old things in a new way. And so I went ahead and signed up, and you guys, it has been so good. I have been loving it. So I've been doing the program now for about a month. No, exactly a month, right? Today's the 4th, so a little over a month, just a couple of days over. And I have had some really great success. I joined the new Weight Watchers program and I am on the green plan. This essentially is the same Smart Points plan they were doing however many years ago it was that I did Weight Watchers the first time around, and I was extremely successful on that program. I lost 50 pounds on that program. And then, you know, the old habits creeped up and I slowly gained it all back. They changed at that point to the freestyle program, which I believe is now the blue program. They do still have that option available. And it just didn't work for me. I didn't find that I was highly successful on it the way that I was with the Smart Points program, and it could just be that, could have just been that I had been on the program so long and I was at a plateau stage, or it could just be that, you know, whatever it was, I had lost 50 pounds and I had slowly over the course of the last few years gained it all back plus some. So it was definitely time that I tackle this weight once and for all, get it off, and so I joined back up with Weight Watchers and I haven't looked back. It has been so good. It's like getting in with an old friend again. It's just the same program it was when I was successful before, and I have been successful again. So like I said, it's been about a month. I weigh in every Monday, which I was a little bit hesitant about when I first decided to do that because historically I have been a lot more loosey-goosey with my diet. On the weekends I tend to eat more, indulge more, so, you know, weighing in on Monday is really like looking myself in the face and admitting, hey, you ate that ice cream, you ate that pizza, and now it's time to own up for it, right? But it's been really good. I have been weighing in consistently on Mondays. Overall, I have been losing weight. I had 1 week in January where my weight was up a little bit, but the next week it came right back down. So overall, it's been so good. I have been loving it. You guys have seen a little bit about what I've been eating. I've been posting what I eat in a day videos here and there, talking about my weight loss. I haven't wanted to overwhelm my channel with those sorts of videos. Back when I was successful on Weight Watchers before, I was posting what I ate videos almost every single day. And I didn't want to kind of overwhelm my channel with that sort of content again. But I do find it extremely helpful and motivating to film what I eat because it keeps me on track. It's a lot harder to say screw it at 10 p.m. and eat a Snickers bar if I know that I have to sit in front of the camera and say, guys, I ate a Snickers bar, right? So I do find it super motivating. I find it super helpful to keep me on track, but at the same time, I want there to be other things on my channel that I talk about. So I've been trying to strike a balance a little bit with that. But overall, it's been extremely successful. I have lost a total of, let's see, 13.6 pounds in my first month on Weight Watchers. And I know that the first month is always like lots of water weight. You're sort of shocking your system, and so you drop a lot of weight right off the bat, and then it slows down to a more manageable pace. So I don't expect these sort of results every month, but for my first month, I think it's really, really great. My starting weight when I hopped on the scale on January 2nd was 283 pounds. I was as close to 300 pounds as I have ever been, and you guys, that terrified me. I've not been in the greatest of health. I have high blood pressure. I have a herniated disc in my back, and I know that the weight that I carry isn't helping that at all. So stepping on the scale and seeing 283 was pretty scary, and it was a wake-up call for me. My current weight is 269.4, so I'm slowly getting back to where I was, I guess, when I started Weight Watchers the first time. I think I started out on Weight Watchers however many years ago it was, 3 years ago, 4 years ago, at 259 pounds. Might have even been 269 pounds, but regardless, that is where I'm at right now, 269. I'm hoping that the scale will continue to trend downward. I'll continue to make really solid eating choices. It has been super easy. I've been able to stick within my points pretty much every day. There's been a couple of days in the month where I didn't track at all. And you know, that's just life. I don't think that it's feasible to sit down and write down and track every single thing you put into your mouth every day for the rest of your life. Certainly not attainable for me, but as long as I am being honest with myself, I'm tracking 90% of the time, and I'm making wise choices 90% of the time, I think that's a lifestyle that I can maintain, and it's working. You know, I did have 1 week, like I said, where my weight was up. My first week, I lost 5.9 pounds, which, again, I attribute a lot of that to water weight. The second week, I lost 3.3 pounds, which was great, continuing to go down. Then the third week, I hit a little road bump, and I gained 1.8, which still isn't bad at all. You know, your weight fluctuates. I'm always weighing in right after a weekend where I'm eating more of my weeklies and that sort of thing. So, you know, it happens. I didn't beat myself up over it. And then this most recent weigh-in, no, I'm sorry, the week after that, I lost 2.7 pounds, which was, you know, really great. I lost that 1.8 that I had gained plus a little bit more. And then when I weighed in yesterday, I was down 3.5 pounds. And I'm not quite sure that I deserved that 3.5 pounds. I think a lot of it was, you know, hormonal weight shifting. I just got done with my period. And so I may see a little bit of a gain next week to kind of make up for that, because 3.5 pounds is a lot of weight to lose in a week. I'm not fooling myself into thinking that I lost 3.5 pounds of fat. I'm sure a lot of that is just fluctuation from hormones and stuff. But either way, I'm taking it, I'm running with it, and I am marking down a 13.6 pound loss for January. So I'm super excited. I could not be happier with my progress, my results. I'm loving being back on the program. I am doing online only. I'm not going to meetings. In the past, I've been really successful going to meetings, but in addition to losing weight, one of my goals this year is to pay off debt, and quite frankly, it's just not in the budget to go to meetings every week. So I've just been doing it online with the support of the Weight Watchers community here on YouTube, watching tons of videos, on Instagram, lots of, you know, I'm following lots of hashtags related to Weight Watchers, and it's been really good. Between that and being able to post here and there on my channel about what I'm eating, and I figure I will do these weight loss updates once a month. I think that's good. I don't want to overwhelm my channel with weight loss content, but it's definitely part of my life, and my channel here is all about my lifestyle, so I definitely think it fits in. I just don't want it to be the only thing I'm doing here on my channel. So that was my very rambly update on my first month back on Weight Watchers. I apologize that I didn't sit down and write notes and have this be a super structured video. I know I went off on tangents and I was very rambly, as I want to do in these sort of chit-chat videos, but I hope that you enjoyed it nonetheless. If you are on a weight loss journey and you made it through January, I am so proud of you. Congratulations. If you are struggling, trust me, I know what that's like as well. I'm here for you guys. If you want to comment down below and let me know where you're at in your weight loss journey, I would love to support you. If you guys would like to follow me through the My WW program, I will list my username down below in the description box. You guys can go and follow me there. You can also follow me on Instagram. I do post my weekly weigh-ins on Instagram, so if you don't want to wait until the beginning of every month to find out how I'm doing and if I'm being successful, you can definitely follow me there. I'd love to have you over there. I post a lot of more personal type posts on Instagram, lots of photos of my kids and stuff. It's really my personal account. It's not necessarily an account I made just for you know, my Jwhackers YouTube channel. So you guys are welcome to follow me there. I'd love to have you. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. It really helps me when I see comments, when I see the thumbs up. It keeps me motivated to keep wanting to put content out for you guys, and it also helps with the YouTube algorithm or whatever. You guys know. So, yeah, thanks guys for watching. I'll see you next time.